You're going to use this rubric to help guide you through your Socrates presentation. Alright. This rubric is going to show you what you need to include in each slide in order for you to get a perfect score for each slide. Alright. The highest score you could get for one slide is 4 points, and the lowest score you could get is 1 point. Alright. Once you add up all the points together, the highest point you could get for this project is 24 points. Alright. So remember, part of this project is for you to grade yourselves. So what you're going to do in order to show me what grade you think you deserve is you're going to highlight the instructions under the number you think you should get. So if you think you should get a 4 on slide 1, you're simply just going to go ahead and highlight the instructions. Go over here to the highlight marker, click on it, and then click on yellow. Right? You're going to do this for each slide. Alright? Each of these rows shows you what you need to do in order to get that score. Alright, so you're going to grade yourselves on each slide. Once you're done grading yourself on each slide, you're going to add up all the points together and then write it down here where it says total points. So that's if you got a perfect score, then you would just simply type in 24 because you got a perfect score. Alright, once you're done grading yourselves, you are then going to move on to the student reflection where you're going to answer each question. Right, each question only has to be answered only using one sentence. Right, just make sure that sentence is meaningful, so that way it helps you reflect on your project, and that also helps you understand how you think you did in this project. Alright, so just to review, you're gonna highlight what points you think you should get for each slide. Once you're done grading each slide, you're then gonna add up all your points together and put your total down here. Once you're done grading yourselves, then you're gonna answer each question using one sentence in the self-reflection.